Now for a budget brand that actually gets a fair number of positive comments, the XIEBro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This one is often listed as an S-choice product in its category and advertises features like Wi-Fi app control, a combined water tank plus dustbin, scheduling, and around 3,200 pascals of suction in some SKUs, which is respectable for a low-cost twin-one. On the model shows healthy sales velocity and tends to be priced far lower than premium brands, making it a tempting buy if you are on a budget but want app control and mopping in the same unit. In actual use, the XIEBro units are predictable. They'll keep daily crumbs, pet litter and hair under control on hard floors, and the app scheduling works well enough to automate routine cleanings. The mop function is a basic wet wipe style rather than a heavy-duty scrub, so don't expect it to replace manual mopping for tough stains. Customer feedback leans positive on the affordability and overall value, but there are common notes about weaker obstacle detection and the usual early buyer software patches. If you live in a tidy apartment or have mainly hard floors, XIEBro can be a great cost-effective daily cleaner. Pros: very affordable, app control plus mopping, good for light maintenance. Cons: basic mopping, navigation and long-term support can be uneven, and suction isn't flagship level. As always, we share buy links in the description box so you can check the current price and which seller has the best bundle or warranty.